This video will show you how to replace the driver's side window switch on a Mazda 3. This will be mounted to your driver's side door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way along the inside of the door panel. We're looking down inside the grab handle. In this area, you're going to find a protective panel that we can easily remove using a small angled pick. For this, just make your way under it, pull it up and out of place. Now we can start removing the window switch. It has some locking tabs. We're going to start prying from this side and pull it up and away from this side, which has a tab, making its way underneath the door panel. For this, I'm just using a small angled pick, something small enough to make its way underneath this area. Obviously, I don't want to cause any damage to anything. Now that you can tell that this is lifting up and out of position, I'm rolling it out, and you can see that little plastic tab. We'll rotate this far enough that we can gain access to our electrical connectors next. Now to dislodge these electrical connectors, they do have a locking tab. You want to squeeze it in and pull this up and out of place. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, a quick peek to confirm there's no corrosion as you continue on. Quick inspection, set that aside. Now we can start taking this apart. I'm going to do this on the bench. Now on the bench, we're looking along the back side here. If you are looking along either side of the trim panel itself, you're going to find that you have 3 locking tabs holding the switch panel to that trim panel. There's 3 on this side and 3 on the other. For these, I'm just using a small trim tool. You can use a screwdriver if necessary. We're making our way underneath the locking tab, and now I'm gently pulling and separating these just enough that I can hold it apart, and we'll continue on to all other locking tabs. Now you can see I have all 3 of these dislodged. Let's go ahead and turn this. We'll have a look at the other side. On this side, we should have 3 locking tabs as well. This is an older vehicle. The panel's broken. Either way, it's still the same process. Would be a center tab there, and then this one. There it is, friend. All right, let's prepare to install the window switch panel into the trim panel. As far as this is concerned, go ahead and start sliding the 2 together. Align them so all 6 of your locking tabs are lined up as they should be, and then press them together, listening for audible clicks from each. A close inspection of all locking tabs, confirming that everything's properly seated. Let's install this in the vehicle. Let's install the window switch panel here. We have the areas for our wire connectors. We just want to line those up. Audible click, a light tug. Let's get this next one. Now we're going to align this with its mounting point here. Take your time. We want to roll it in the upper portion first. This is going to go underneath the door panel. We're just coming in at an angle. We'll press this down. There we are. We're listening for an audible click all the way around. Make sure it's secured in place. This panel just rests in place. Okay, friend, we've almost finished the installation of our window switch. The next thing that we have to do is reprogram the switch so it has the auto function. To do that, we have the key in the on position. We're going to power the window to the fully upright position, and we're going to hold the switch up for an additional 5 seconds after it's reached the top. After that 5 seconds, go ahead and power it all the way down. We're holding the switch in the down position an additional 5 seconds after it reaches the bottom. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go ahead and test the functionality. We'll bring the window up, and then the auto function should work in the down. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.